Hello guys, it's Dale here, and in this video I would like to talk about Bitcoin because it breached the historical highs on Monday, right there with this green candle. This was the historical high. So I think it's time for a little update. What you see before you is the Bitcoin chart. It is a daily chart, so those are daily candles. And the indicator which you see before you, that's volume profile indicator. Flexible volume profile indicator, which you can move around like this, look into specific areas in the chart in which you are interested in. That's my swing trading layout. That's the layout I use to plan long-term investments and swing trades. And today I'm going to use it to analyze the current development of Bitcoin. Now, if you remember in the previous video on Bitcoin, I was talking about this significant volume cluster. This is a place where heavy volumes were accumulated and traded, and this is the beginning of this zone, which I said would work as a strong support. As you can see, there was a pullback to this zone and it really worked as a support. It was a reaction to the point exactly at the level. So if you are trading that, it was a really nice trade entry. And now what I wanted to show you today is a new support which formed right there at 62k. Now this support is based on those massive volumes which got accumulated right there in this rotation, and this rotation took place before this strong buying activity that showed the aggressivity of strong buyers who pushed through that historical high in here. Right, so volume profile tells us that there are strong buyers in here, in this zone. Those strong buyers pushed the price upwards, and I think that those strong buyers will continue pushing the price even higher. Now, this is a significant zone. This zone which is starting at 62k, because when there is a pullback, then the buyers from this place will want to add some more to their longs, because this is a heavy liquidity zone, and they'll also want to defend their longs which they placed in here. In order to do that, they'll start buying, they'll start aggressive buying, and they're likely to push the price upwards from this place again. This is what makes this a strong support. Right? That's the logic behind it. So yeah, in this case, volume profile shows us very nicely this strong support. And if you are interested in further Bitcoin development, then you definitely want to watch how price will react to it, because this is a key level in the future development of Bitcoin price. All right. So that's about the new support which I wanted to show you on Bitcoin. Now, what I would like to address next is questions which I got after the last video I made. A question I got quite often was, which data do I use to get Bitcoin charts into a NinjaTrader? It's quite simple. You go to NinjaTrader Control Center, you go to Connections, and right there you click Coinbase. This is a connection that will connect you to cryptocurrency data. It's a free connection, it's a default connection that NinjaTrader uses. So it's super simple to connect to it. Now, another question I got was regarding a trade which I was talking about earlier. It was a trade on Bitcoin, and I'm still in that trade, by the way. I entered a long trade from 32k. Maybe you remember a video where I was talking about it, about entering that trade. So I entered a long from there, and I'm still in that long. And I'm planning to hold on to that position and make even more of it. But the question was, what needs to happen for me to quit that trade? Because it's already in huge profits. So the question is how I'm going to manage it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to watch the heavy volume clusters and how price reacts to them. So this is a significant volume cluster. Then this is a significant volume cluster, and then this is a significant volume cluster. In all those three places, strong buyers were buying and then pushing the price upwards. So those are the key points. If the price goes downwards and manages to close below the first volume cluster, then it's going to be a warning that strong sellers are entering and pushing the price downwards. If this happens, I'm still going to hold on to that position. If the price continues to fall and goes below this second volume cluster and closes below it, and also closes below this first deviation of VWAP, then it will be another warning and I'll quit half of my trade there. Alright, if there is a sharp sell-off, the price closes below this zone, then I'll get rid of half of the position. Maybe even the whole trade. It will depend on the strength of the sell-off. I'm not saying this will happen, but just a scenario which could happen, alright? And if the price falls even more below the third volume cluster and closes below it, I mean daily candle closes below it, then I'm out, alright? That's how I'm going to manage it. But again, I'm not saying that this scenario is going to happen. What I'm hoping for is that Bitcoin will just, shoot through the roof. That's what I hope for, and that's what I want to happen. Alright, so yeah, that's about the Bitcoin analysis I wanted to show you today. I hope you guys liked it. If you would like to learn more about trading with volume profile, and if you would like to learn all my trading strategies that I use with the volume profile, then what I recommend is going to my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and the next best step is go to trading course and tools. So you click that, you scroll down a bit, and what I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. The Elite Pack is an educational pack that will teach you everything there is about trading with volume profile, and there is a video which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in the Elite Pack. In short, the Elite Pack includes a video course, it includes my day trading and swing trading levels that you'll be getting each day. It also includes volume profile indicators that I developed, and also a couple of bonuses. Now, at the top of that, it also includes free tech support for Elite Pack members. And what that means is that our tech support team will set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all my indicators. They'll load up my trading workspaces, they'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it completely free of charge, as that's the part of the service that we provide to the Elite Pack members. Alright, so that's about it. That's about the Elite Pack, and that's also about this video. I hope you guys liked it, I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading!